we're just kind of walking the crowds here at Rolling Thunder as some of the bikers come in. Got a little demonstration going on here of riding skills. Unlike Myrtle Beach, there's no smoke here, everybody.
One hand.
One hand maneuvering that bike around. He went to police training school. So a little demonstration, police demonstration riding, skilled riding here at Rolling Thunder. One-handed. Easy as pie. As they run around here in their little scooters. Check them out, everybody, as they make their way to us. Precision skilled riding. Nice display of skill. And these are full-blown Harleys, everybody. Great skill, great skills. Precision riding at its best. So follow us on Motorcycles and Poker Adventures for more upcoming videos from Rolling Thunder. Rolling Thunder, everybody. Enjoy the parade.